Since the first planes soared into the skies, designers and engineers have been looking at new ways to fly. There are now many different designs for flying machines that are feasible. So buckle up and join me for today's video. We're going to count down the top 15 coolest machines that can fly. Number 15. Aerovel Flex Rotor. The Aerovel Flex Rotor is an unmanned aerial vehicle. This thing combines the vertical takeoff and landing capabilities of a helicopter with the efficiency and endurance of a fixed-wing aircraft. It's been developed by Aerovel Corporation. This Flex Rotor represents a breakthrough in UAV technology, offering extended range, versatility, and, of course, autonomous operation. At the core of the Flex Rotor's design is its unique tilt rotor mechanism, which allows it to transition seamlessly between vertical and horizontal flight modes. The Flex Rotor takes off and lands vertically, using its vertical thrusters and rotating rotors. Once in the air, it tilts its rotors forward, enabling it to fly like a conventional fixed-wing aircraft and benefiting from improved aerodynamic efficiency. The vertical takeoff and landing capabilities make it an ideal solution for a wide range of applications. Its ability to use confined spaces eliminates the need for traditional runways, allowing it to access remote or difficult-to-reach locations. Now, this versatility makes it well-suited for applications such as aerial surveying, surveillance, search and rescue operations, and environmental monitoring. This hybrid design, combining the efficiency of a fixed-wing aircraft with the flexibility of a rotorcraft, allows the Flex Rotor to fly for extended periods of time, much more so than other types of helicopters. It can cover significant distances on a single mission, making it suitable for long-range operations and applications that require persistent aerial surveillance or data collection. It's also equipped with advanced autonomous capabilities, which means it's able to operate without direct human control. It can follow pre-programmed flight plans, execute complex missions, and perform tasks such as waypoint navigation, geolocation, and precision landings with a high degree of accuracy. This thing is awesome. This autonomous mode reduces the need for constant human intervention and further enhances its efficiency and reliability. Number 14. Orithopter. An ornithopter is a unique type of aircraft that mimics the flapping flight of birds and insects. And unlike conventional aircraft that rely on fixed wings and engines for propulsion, ornithopters achieve lift and forward motion by flapping their wings. This concept of flight, inspired by nature of course, has fascinated inventors and aviation enthusiasts for centuries, but it's only in recent years that they become an attainable reality. The design of an ornithopter involves intricate mechanisms that replace the complex motion of bird wings. The wings are typically made of lightweight materials such as carbon fiber or fabric and are attached to the frame. As the wings flap, they generate lift and thrust, propelling the ornithopter forward. One of the main challenges in ornithopter design is achieving the right balance between wing size, shape, and flapping motion. Engineers and inventors experiment with various wing configurations including single-wing, bi-wing, or even multi-wing designs, with power options ranging from human muscle or electric motors to internal combustion engines, depending on the size and intended use of the vehicle. Since they resemble birds in flight, they offer a unique perspective on the concept of flying, bringing humans closer to the natural phenomenon of flying. Ornithopters have the potential to provide a more energy-efficient and environmentally friendly form of transport compared to traditional aircraft, as they mimic the efficiency of bird flight. For now, though, ornithopters are mainly used for research purposes, biomimicry studies, and recreational pursuits. They're useful for gaining insights into the aerodynamics of flapping wing propulsion and the application of these principles to other fields, but it's quite possible that ornithopter technology could find practical use in areas such as aerial surveillance, environmental monitoring, and even transportation in specific scenarios. Number 13. Augusta Westland Project Zero. The Augusta Westland Project Zero is an experimental hybrid electric tilt-rotor aircraft that was developed by the Italian-British aerospace company Leonardo. From the moment you first see it, the Project Zero stands out with its futuristic and sleek appearance. The aircraft features a unique tilt-rotor configuration where its two rotors can tilt from a vertical to a horizontal position, and this enables it to transition between vertical takeoff and landing and horizontal flight. The ability to tilt the rotors provides the Project Zero with the maneuverability and versatility it needs as it passes through various phases of flight. Probably the most exciting part of the Project Zero in comparison to other tilt-rotor designs is its propulsion system. It's powered entirely by electric motors, which makes it an environmentally friendly and sustainable aircraft. The electric motors drives the rotors during both vertical and horizontal flight, offering reduced noise levels and lower emissions compared to conventional aircraft. And this propulsion system also enhances efficiency and opens the door to potential advances in battery technology and renewable energy. The Project Zero incorporates advanced technologies and materials throughout its design to ensure efficient and safe flight, such as using fly-by-wire controls which enhance stability, responsiveness, and control during flight. The aircraft's lightweight structure is constructed using composite materials, reducing weight and improving overall performance, with all of these combining to give Project Zero exceptional flight characteristics and operational capability. While the Project Zero itself is an experimental aircraft and not intended for commercial use, it serves as a technological demonstration and platform for future advancements in aviation. The knowledge gained from its development and testing can be applied to the development of more sustainable and efficient aircraft in the future. Number 12. Terrafugia Transition. The Terrafugia Transition, designed and developed by Terrafugia, which is a company founded by a group of MIT graduates in 2006, is the world's first practical flying car, and it could herald a major shift in the idea of personal transportation. The Transition is essentially a two-seat aircraft with foldable wings that can be driven on roads like a conventional car. It's powered by a gasoline engine and features a retractable landing gear for seamless transitions between flight and ground level. When on the road, the wings can be folded and stored, allowing the Transition to fit into a standard-sized garage or parking space. By doing this, it provides the freedom to bypass traffic congestion by taking to the skies, allowing for quicker and more efficient travel. In the air, it can reach a cruising speed of around 100 miles or 160 kilometers an hour, and it's got a range of approximately 400 miles or 640 kilometers. On the road, it can be driven like any other car, offering the flexibility to access various locations without the need for a runway or an airport. By being both a car and an aircraft, the Transition adheres to regulations for both forms of transport, and it's been subjected to rigorous engineering and testing to ensure it meets the highest safety standards. With the potential to revolutionize the way people travel, it provides a unique solution to the difficulties of urban congestion and opens up new possibilities for transport to remote areas. It could even improve response to emergency situations where quick access to remote or disaster-stricken areas is essential. While prototypes have already been built and flown, there's still some time to go until something like this is widely available to customers. But now that the technology is realistic, we may see commercially available versions within the decade. Number 11. Jet Wing. Now, probably the most fun that you can have in the sky, the Jet Wing is a revolutionary design that combines the thrill of wingsuit flying with the power of jet propulsion. This incredible jet-powered wingsuit is the brainchild of a team of engineers and wingsuit enthusiasts who sought to push the boundaries of human flight. It features a sleek and aerodynamic design that resembles a traditional wingsuit, but with the addition of integrated jet engines. These engines are strategically positioned along the wings and provide a significant boost of thrust, propelling the wearer forward and upward with a huge amount of power. The engineers behind this design have worked tirelessly to ensure that the added propulsion system doesn't hinder the wearer's mobility or comfort, and by making the wingsuit from advanced materials that provide both durability and flexibility, it is compact and lightweight. Seeing it in flight is something else. As the wearer jumps off a cliff or out of an aircraft, they activate the jet engines, instantly benefiting from the surge of power that propels them forward. These engines provide an impressive amount of thrust, allowing for a rapid acceleration and reaching incredible speeds. And it allows wingsuit users to cover much greater distances than stay airborne for extended periods, which allows them to reach new places that were previously inaccessible. The Jet Wing also offers enhanced maneuverability and control, as the wearer can adjust the angle of the wings, redirect the thrust, and therefore change their own flight path. This level of control allows for precision navigation through narrow gaps, close proximity flying, and the execution of breathtaking aerial acrobatics. Everything on this thing is adjustable, and the jet engines can be throttled, allowing the wearer to regulate the speed and adapt to different flight conditions as they see fit. Unsurprisingly, the Jet Wing has garnered significant attention and interest from thrill seekers, extreme sports enthusiasts, and aviation enthusiasts alike. Its combination of wingsuit flying and jet propulsion has captured the imagination of people around the world, with plans already in place for a competitive race league. Sweet. Number 10. Cyclo Gyro. The Cyclo Gyro, also known as a cyclocopter, is an unusual type of rotorcraft that represents a new approach to the idea of vertical flight. Unlike traditional helicopters with spinning rotors, Cyclo Gyros feature rotating wings that are responsible for generating lift and providing propulsion. Now, this innovative design, inspired by the concept of cycloidal propulsion, potentially presents exciting possibilities for future aviation. Its first flight concept revolves around a series of rotating wings arranged in a circular or annular configuration. These wings, known as cycloidal rotors, move in a cycloidal pattern, generating lift and thrust as they rotate. This motion creates a swirling of the air similar to the movements of a paddle wheel, and this results in efficient lift production. One of the main advantages of this design is its ability to provide both lift and thrust without the need for a separate propulsion system. The rotating wings create both vertical lift and horizontal thrust, enabling it to take off, hover, and maneuver with great agility, and gives much more control during flight. This design eliminates the need for complex transmission systems and allows for a more compact and simplified aircraft structure. Furthermore, the absence of a tail rotor, typical in helicopters, eliminates the associated complexity and maintenance. The versatility of Cyclo Gyros extend beyond vertical flight. With their unique design, these have the potential to transition into fixed-wing flight by adjusting the angle of the cycloidal rotors, a hybrid capability that opens up possibilities for extended range and much higher speeds. Yet, despite the advantages and potentials, their development and adoption are still in the early stages. The complex aerodynamics and control systems of these things present challenges that need to be addressed through extensive research and testing. But with advancements in materials, control systems, and aerodynamic understanding, the future of Cyclo Gyros looks promising. Number 9. RC DeLorean. It's probably the most famous flying car from cinematic history, and while a full-size DeLorean like the one from Back to the Future is still beyond our reach, an inventor has come up with the next best thing. The RC DeLorean is a remote-controlled model car that pays homage to the iconic DeLorean DMC-12, and it certainly captures that spirit and design of the original, but at a smaller scale. Featuring a stainless steel body, gull-wing doors, and sleek lines, the attention to detail is impressive, from the front grille to the rear vents, ensuring that the miniature version is an accurate replica. It offers the thrill of remote-controlled driving, allowing enthusiasts to experience the joy of controlling the miniature vehicle. With its responsive controls, it can maneuver in various directions, and its compact size allows for nimble handling and the ability to navigate tight spaces. Amazingly, this replica has working gull-wing doors that can be opened and closed with the push of a button on the remote, replicating that unique characteristic of the real DeLorean. It also features built-in lights and sound effects, so you could almost believe for a moment the dock's flying towards you. While it was obviously built just for fun, the RC DeLorean serves as a reminder of the enduring appeal and cultural significance of the DeLorean and the impact that movies can have on our culture. Not only does it allow fans to celebrate the iconic car in a miniature form and experience the joy of controlling their very own DeLorean, but it's provided a blueprint for future car designs and may one day inspire someone to build a life-size version. Number 8. Parajet Skycar. The Parajet Skycar. It's another type of flying car that offers the freedom to take to the skies while providing the versatility to travel on the road. Developed by British company Parajet International, the Skycar is at the forefront of cutting-edge personal aviation innovation. It features a hybrid design that incorporates a lightweight, high-performance sports car with a detachable parafoil wing and a rear-mounted fan-driven propeller. The parafoil wing, which can be quickly deployed or stowed, provides lift and stability during flight, while the propeller generates forward thrust. It's capable of taking off and landing in a short distance, making it suitable for a wide range of environments. When on the road, it operates as a conventional sports car, offering a dynamic driving experience because of its powerful engine, aerodynamic design, and responsive handling. Upon reaching a suitable takeoff location, though, the parafoil wing and propeller can be attached, transforming the Skycar into a flying vehicle. Its flight capabilities open up a world of possibilities for personal aviation, and with its ability to cruise at altitudes of up to 15,000 feet or over 4,500 meters, it's got a top speed of around 100 miles or 160 kph. Its range and flight capabilities make it suitable for recreational flying, air touring, and even emergency situations. It is, of course, also fitted with a number of safety features such as redundant systems, advanced avionics, and, of course, parachutes for emergency descent, making sure you can use it on the ground or in the air with full confidence. The Skycar represents a vision of the future where personal aviation becomes more accessible and practical, and this model, with its hybrid design, would be far more affordable than other ideas. With increasing congestion on the roads and the desire for efficient travel, aerial vehicles like these are seen as the next big step for personal transportation, and something like this could prove to be a serious contender. Moving on to number 7, the Jetlev Flyer. The Jetlev Flyer is a personal watercraft that allows you to experience the sensation of flying above the water surface. Developed by Jetlev Technologies, this unique device combines the power of water propulsion with a specially designed jetpack, offering a one-of-a-kind experience. Now, to make this thing work, the device uses a floating platform that's connected to a flexible hose, and this draws water from the surrounding lake. The water is propelled with great force through the hose and expelled downward, creating a powerful jet stream. This stream of water provides the necessary lift to rise you up above the water's surface, and the more proficient you become, the more you're able to perform stunts and tricks. The design is both practical and user-friendly. It consists of a harness worn by the pilot with adjustable straps ensuring the secure and comfortable fit. This harness is connected to the hose, allowing the wearer to control the direction and intensity of the water. Integrated hand controls and throttle mechanisms enable intuitive and responsive maneuvering, giving the rider a sense of control over their flight experience. It offers a range of maneuverability options for riders to explore, and by adjusting the hand controls, the wearer can steer themselves in various directions, execute smooth turns, and even perform aerial acrobatics. With practice, riders can hone their skills to achieve a level of mastery, enabling them to perform impressive aerial feats. Whether it's for recreational purposes, professional demonstrations, or entertainment at resorts and water parks, the Jetlev Flyer does offer a unique and unforgettable experience that combines the elements of flight and water-based fun. And since its launch a few years ago, you may have already seen its device in use. As their costs fall, they'll become even more commonplace and will soon be accessible to anyone who wants to try one for themselves. Number 6. Volocopter. The Volocopter is a futuristic-looking electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for urban air mobility. It was developed by the German company Volocopter, and it represents a new era of transportation that combines electric propulsion, autonomous flight, and vertical takeoff capability. Underpinning the Volocopter's clever design are its multiple rotors, which provide vertical lift and maneuverability. The aircraft's powered by electric motors, making it environmentally friendly and quiet during operation. And this electric propulsion system also offers lower operating costs and reduced emissions. Its compact and streamlined design enables it to navigate urban environments with ease, and its numerous rotors and innovative flight control system, its ability to achieve stable and precise control during takeoff, landing, and in flight. Its intuitive controls and autonomous capability allow for ease of operation too, even for pilots with minimal flight experience. As the company plans for humans to be able to travel on board, the aircraft is equipped with numerous redundancies and fail-safe systems. It features, for example, multiple rotors, and this makes sure that the single failure does not compromise flight safety. The Volocopter's flight control systems constantly monitor the aircraft's performance and environmental condition to ensure the flight goes to plan, and it can be operated autonomously or be piloted remotely. It'll usually use the autonomous flight mode though, which navigates predetermined routes and avoids obstacles and increases operational efficiency while reducing the workload for the pilot. The Volocopter has undergone extensive testing and demonstration flights, showcasing its capabilities and safety, and the company's already collaborated with aviation authorities and urban mobility stakeholders to pave the way for the integration of eVTOL aircraft into existing air traffic management systems. The hope is that it will be fully certified within a few years, and we could see vehicles like this taking to the sky before you know it. Number 5. P-791 Airship. The P-791 Airship is a hybrid airship that combines the features of an airplane, helicopter, and traditional blimp. Developed by Lockheed Martin, this aircraft represents kind of a new era in airship technology, offering enhanced maneuverability, payload capacity, and operational versatility. The design features a unique tri-hull configuration with a central hull flanked by two smaller ones on either side. This provides stability, improved lift distribution, and efficient aerodynamics, and combined with the way the airship is constructed, using advanced materials such as lightweight composites and durable fabrics, it ensures resilient structural integrity. Its ability to take off and land vertically, similar to a helicopter, eliminates the need for a runway and allows the airship to operate in remote and inaccessible areas. This capability also enables it to hover in place, providing the flexibility to perform tasks such as surveillance, cargo loading, and passenger embarkation. Its lifting capacity is pretty impressive, capable of carrying a substantial payload beyond what's possible with even many helicopters. The large cargo bay within the central hull provides plenty of space for transporting goods or equipment or personnel, and makes the airship ideal for various applications. The payload capacity combined with that vertical flight capability opens up new possibilities for delivering supplies to remote locations. In terms of maneuverability, this airship is equipped with vectored thrust propellers, allowing for precise control during flight. These propellers can be individually controlled, enabling the ship to perform tight turns, hover, and even fly backwards if necessary. It also benefits from the improved fuel efficiency compared to conventional craft, as it uses a hybrid propulsion system that combines gas turbines and electric motors. That low fuel consumption, combined with its ability to stay aloft for extended periods, makes it an attractive option for long-duration surveillance missions, scientific research, and environmental monitoring. Number 4. EHang 184. The EHang 184 is an autonomous aerial vehicle that's being positioned as the future of urban air mobility. Developed by Chinese company EHang, the EHang 184 is a single-passenger electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that's designed for short-range personal transportation. It's a compact and futuristic-looking aircraft that features a capsule-like cabin that's suspended beneath 8 propellers, looking like a huge drone. The aircraft's design is pretty sleek and streamlined, incorporating advanced materials and aerodynamic principles to optimize efficiency and performance. Plus, the cabin offers a comfortable and enclosed space for passengers. What makes the EHang 184 different, though, is its autonomous flight capability. Passengers can put in their destination using a simple touchscreen interface, and the aircraft's advanced navigation and control systems take care of the rest. Where other flying cars will require the driver to be a qualified pilot, this one will mean that anyone can travel in an EHang 184, which will make its form of urban air travel accessible to a much wider range of users. For this to be possible, the aircraft is covered in thousands of sensors, with systems constantly monitoring flight conditions, detecting obstacles, and adjusting flight paths accordingly. It's equipped with a parachute system just in case to ensure a safe descent. It's powered by multiple electric motors, so it makes it an environmentally friendly and quiet aircraft. The limitation of battery technology means, though, that it's specifically designed for short-range travel with a maximum flight range of around 20 miles or 40 kilometers, during which it will be able to reach a cruising speed of approximately 80 miles an hour or about 130 kph. This will be ideal for commuting, air taxi services, and emergency medical transportation. Plus, a truly exciting concept for the future. Number 3. Airfish 8. The Airfish 8, it's an extraordinary high-speed commercial aircraft that glides above the water's surface, combining the benefits of a traditional aircraft and a hydrofoil. Developed by WidgetWorks, this innovative machine revolutionizes water transportation with its unique design and impressive performance. The Airfish 8, it's sleek and aerodynamic, almost resembling a futuristic aircraft, and features a slender hull supported by 4 high-performance wings. These wings generate lift as the aircraft gains speed, and this is what allows it to rise above the water's surface and essentially just fly a few feet above it. The hydrofoil design minimizes drag and enhances stability in order to provide a smooth ride. It's powered by 4 high-performance engines. This thing can reach speeds of up to 110 miles per hour or 180 kph. The hydrofoil design significantly reduces drag, allowing it to reach those speeds while consuming less fuel compared to traditional aircraft. With the potential for being used for passenger transportation, providing a unique and thrilling experience for travelers, there's plenty of potential other purposes too, such as search and rescue operations, offshore exploration, and tourism. Flying this thing is relatively straightforward, and pilots with appropriate training and certification will find it simple to operate. It's equipped with intuitive controls, including a steering wheel and throttle, and it's built with an advanced automatic stabilization system that helps it maintain its balance and stability, even in rough seas, and ensures a safe and comfortable ride for those on board. Number 2. Martin Jetpack. Since some of the earliest science fiction movies, people have always dreamed of the ability to use a personal jetpack to soar into the skies. And it's now something that's becoming far closer to reality. The Martin Jetpack is a personal aircraft that's been designed by New Zealand-based Martin Aircraft Company, and it combines cutting-edge technology, engineering expertise, and a passion for aviation to create a truly unique and exhilarating experience. This thing boasts an impressive design that resembles a compact and streamlined backpack, equipped with powerful engines and rotors. It's constructed using lightweight materials such as carbon fiber, ensuring both strength and maneuverability. It's powered by a reliable and efficient engine which drives the rotors and generates the necessary thrust. Key to the design is that the Martin Jetpack is surprisingly easy to use. Pilots do undergo comprehensive training to learn the basics of flying the jetpack, including safety procedures and operational techniques, but it's not just restricted to qualified pilots, as the jetpack's intuitive controls and stability systems make it accessible to a wide range of people, from experienced aviators to first-time flyers. With a device like this, safety has been at the forefront of the design process from the initial blueprints, and it's equipped with several features to ensure a secure and enjoyable flight experience. These include ballistic parachute systems, redundant propulsion systems, and built-in altitude and speed limitations. Additionally, the Martin Aircraft Company continually conducts extensive testing and development to enhance the jetpack's safety and reliability, and to improve the design. Beyond the fun of flying one, though, a jetpack like this has the potential to be used in search and rescue operations, providing a rapid and versatile aerial platform for reaching remote areas, and perhaps even in fields such as military, law enforcement, and commercial operations. Yep, it's no surprise then that it's gained a significant attention and interest from aviation enthusiasts, adventure seekers, and innovators alike, and it won't be long until they're taking to the skies near you soon. Number 1. The Solar Stratos. With increasing concerns surrounding the power sources used to operate aircraft, designers have turned to alternatives in the hope they can dramatically reduce the amount of pollution that's produced by the aviation industry. One of the most impressive new concepts is the Solar Stratos, which is a solar-powered stratospheric aircraft that aims to explore the frontiers of sustainable aviation. Designed by Solar Stratos SA, this aircraft pushes the boundaries of solar technology, and it does demonstrate the potential for high-altitude, emission-free flight. Featuring a sleek and lightweight design, with a wingspan comparable to that of a large commercial airliner, it's equipped with solar panels that cover its wings that can harness the sun's energy to power its electric propulsion system. This aircraft's lightweight construction, coupled with the efficiency of the solar panels, does allow it to achieve sustained flight at altitudes reaching the stratosphere. It is still in the early stages of development, but the aim is for it to reach altitudes of up to 82,000 feet or 25,000 meters, which means it will venture into the stratosphere, which is the second layer of the Earth's atmosphere. This ambitious endeavor presents unique challenges, including extremely low temperatures, reduced air pressure, and the need for specialized life support. So the team has worked meticulously to develop the necessary technology and systems to ensure safety. In addition to promoting sustainable aviation, the Solar Stratos project seeks to advance scientific research and exploration. The stratosphere is a relatively unexplored region, and the Solar Stratos does provide a platform for conducting scientific experiments, collecting data, and expanding our understanding of the Earth's upper atmosphere. This knowledge can contribute to various scientific disciplines, including climate research, atmospheric physics, and space exploration. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you to our channel members.